The new Aprilia 660 RF is coming, and it's already creating excitement among sport bike fans. The RS660 has been one of Aprilia's most successful models in recent years because it proves that a sport bike doesn't have to be extremely powerful or expensive to be fun, stylish, and practical. Now, Aprilia is preparing to launch a new version called the RS660 RF. The RF version will sit between the standard RS660 and the high-end factory version. This means it will offer better performance and features than the base model, but still be more affordable than the factory edition. The name RF reminds many people of the famous RSV4 RF, and Aprilia seems to be bringing a bit of that racing spirit into this mid-range sport bike. A test bike, believed to be the RS660 RF, was spotted recently riding next to a regular RS660. When looking closely, some differences become clear. The RF uses the high-quality Öhlins NX30 front forks from the factory version, while the rear suspension comes from the standard RS660. It still uses Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires and Brembo monoblock brakes, which are trusted for strong grip and stopping power. This combination keeps the sporty handling but avoids pushing the price too high. The engine is expected to remain the same as the current RS660, a 659cc twin-cylinder that produces 105 horsepower. This engine is already well-balanced, powerful enough for fun rides, easy to control, and full of Italian character, so Aprilia doesn't need to change it. In terms of design, the RS660 RF still follows the familiar RS660 styling, but the test version was seen in a matte black color that looks sleek and mysterious. There might also be small changes like carbon fiber parts and small aerodynamic wings to make it stand out more. For technology and safety, you can expect features like cornering ABS, wheelie control, launch control, and multiple ride modes. The price of the RS660 RF is expected to be around 1,100 to 1,500 euros more than the standard RS660. This makes it a smart choice for riders who want something more exciting than the base model but don't want to spend too much on the factory edition. Rumors say Aprilia might officially reveal the new RS660 RF at the EICMA motorcycle show in Milan this November. If that happens, it will likely be one of the most anticipated motorcycle launches of 2025. So yes, the new Aprilia 660 RF is coming, and it could once again shake up the mid-weight sport bike market.